Morning, guys. I am currently 14 weeks pregnant today. We're out of the first trimester trenches. Although I haven't been sleeping the greatest, y'all, I've been feeling a little better, waking up a little more energy, waking up not so much so sick. But I'm really excited today. I'm actually not going to go to the gym. I've been going to the gym every day. Actually, let me not lie. I've been going to the gym most days. But today, my son's father did not come pick him up from school. So we're going to do a vlog in the house. We're going to clean because, oh my God, it needs to be deep cleaned badly, okay? The bathroom, the living room, everything, y'all. And then when you get pregnant, like, I don't know, I got to train my husband a little better, y'all, because he is not picking up my slack, okay? Like, he is not. But I'm not going to judge him. I'm giving him grace. He washed his hair, y'all. Hair has been everywhere. I've been waiting on to see if he was going to do it, and he has not done it. But I'm just going to communicate to him the things that I need and stuff, because I do not plan on being a single mother that's married, okay, doing everything by myself. Although he has a job and goes to work, which I do too, which is content creation, baby, he going to have to help around this house, okay? Let me show y'all, because the bathroom, he be throwing stuff on the side when he want to make a video, but he don't really be cleaning. So let me show y'all what this bathroom hitting on. I just cleaned the tub up because my son got to take a bath, but like the floor is dirty. He threw all my stuff under the sink because he was recording. Counter a mess. Toilet a mess. Shower a mess. Room a mess. Floor a mess. Like PR packages all over there a mess. Clothes. I washed all the clothes. Guess what? I have to fold them all too. More clothes that needs to be washed here. This little boy get on my nerves. His hallway to his room. His room ain't too bad, but his clothes need to be washed. Bed needs to be made up. CJ, come turn your nightlight off and make your bed up. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Bathroom, which Rob been, keeping that bathroom looking nice a little bit. And that's the upstairs, guys. Let's go downstairs and see what we're working with. It's just a mess. And you know who has to clean it up? Me, the pregnant person. The pregnant person that just got a lick of energy, okay? Kitchen not too bad. Made pancakes. CJ barely ate because we ran out of syrup. Has to wash the dishes. Put the dishes away. Y'all, the other day our dog ran away. We have a dog and a cat. His name was Rocky. He was a pug or a Frenchie. He is now gone. Our living room is still our family room is still under construction, y'all. But now Rocky is gone. No more Rocky. Sad. But yeah, y'all, spend a day with me cleaning this house before I lose it because everybody out. Yeah, that's what we're doing today. Maybe I can have CJ help me. I did me a sew-in yesterday. I got some videos to record for some content. And yeah, but that'll be later on today. Right now, we're focusing on cleaning. So, stick with me.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say,